This is stock number B22626, 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX on a load right trailer. Big 25-foot hybrid design. You know, today's today's deck boat basically means a V-hull with larger bow area. Bravo 3 outdrive, 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser. There's the nifty little swim platform extension. Next into a diving area. Large aft sunning lounge. Starboard side walk-through. Bimini top. Talk about room for everybody. Seat back goes fore or aft to make for more sunning. Nice L-shaped lounge on the port side. Starboard seating. Double wide companion seat. Double wide helm seat. Flip up bolster. Large Simrad display in the dash. Walk through on the port side into the spacious bow area with dedicated cooler storage. Has bow cover and cockpit cover. Multi-function Simrad display. Engine information, chart plotter. You can see under 87 hours engine time. Nice head compartment. Plenty of room in there. Youngwood could hang out. Heck of a nice boat. Call for a showing. Boats here at Belmere Harbor.